Hi, this is Mr. Rat Rod. I'm going to be doing an unboxing of Amazon product. It is $140 for this. It's a two-barrel carburetor, and it's a reconditioned one off of Amazon. So we'll get down to it, and we're going to open it up and take a look at this product. This is going to be going on to my tow truck, which is my Dodge. The one thing with carburetors is that they really should have an arrow on it showing the direction that the carburetor is, like this side up, because when a carburetor gets flipped upside down, it can actually knock shit out of place in the internals. So there is no arrow on this box. That's another thing that really we'll find out. Packaging's quite good. Lots of bubble wrap. Yes, here we are. Outside packaging is almost off. Oh, we're almost to the box. There we go. Lots of bubble wrap, still no arrow. So, yes, I'm opening this up in the motor. We're actually standing inside my kitchen. You know you're hardcore when you have a motor sitting in your kitchen. I do not have a garage, so like everybody else, keep going. Lots of bubble wrap. Alright, so now we're down to a box. Foam packaging. And which way is it going to be pointing? Well, it's right side up. It's a two-barrel. Comes with the seals. I will be doing a video. Of installing this carburetor and a review on it. There's supposed to be an electric choke on this, so we're going to take a look at that. Don't drop everything. So, from just looking at this, it's supposed to be remanufactured, quite clean. It has an electric choke and an air choke. And as I said, there was no arrow on the box when it was being shipped, so it's been probably flipped upside down, sideways, you name it. So, coming out of the package, it looks quite well. We'll open her up here. Everything seems to be working. The real test will be going onto the vehicle, get some gas going through it, and see what it does. So this is a carburetor. Come with the seals. Was purchased from Amazon for 140 Canadian. And I'll do another video showing me installing the carburetor onto my 1980 tow truck. So please like and subscribe. Hit that like button and that subscribe button. Peace out. Have a good day.